topic actually highlight topic to nitra but definitely I would say like ABB mix or Gemsri ni wagai so I say solidumon sunny to nitra but I definitely did not see the video properly but ang dinis dani sana mane mazai michibai ki reason ama or why it's going like going in recommendation in every some of the videos na recommend now thanga okay jai channel ko nanga jinba not only jai channel but some channels that you are subscribed already are boro channel dongba bini recommend thanga okay so definitely ang bini kata bare railai gosu githaraman ang manba be kata bare railai khaki ang channel hoy sebla viral somawbo ang railai akiman but one thing is this ke Gemsri sir biko michi pheraman ang sing hai okay ar mama profession ma ipro je michi nang but one day what happened ki like ang viral video so one of my friend sent me the viral video of Gemsri and showed me okay dikhai by like she's Gemsri but Gemsri sir ami chibera so my friend of sungbai ma sir bio bini mani very bari viral jakan by bol sklan by but an actress me ang to movies bunu pera kai but definitely the movie came lagari also become dang first time mujang ina dang bini YouTube channel do hona mich khai arang but because ang dinisi check kalamdeng YouTube channel dong nani man bang bara naya nang bol ko mostly I watch Raja Khungur and then what was the name of the blogger one blogger is there no be ko na yang blogger bara नाम को थाल लायाखै आं just बिनि इंग्लिश को एसे खोनासंनो इन्ट्रेस्ट मोनो आं मानोबा बर'नि इंग्लिश को खोनासंनो एसे इन्ट्रेस्ट जाखायो नङा होमबा that's why so आरो प्रकाश प्रान्जालिफोरखौ नाया आङो मानोबा vulgarity बिराद नुयो आङो some of the videos को नायबाथ' vulgarity दंसाबो आं गैया होनजा आरो past video को नायबाथ' like it's like messed up video आनो messed up so that's why our channel messed up माने आरो एबी मिक्स होनो सानैक like definitely you got a reply na reply ko to होफिनबाय video आवनो Gemsri so she's brave enough to reply so brave नि थाखाय बिराद मोजां मोनदों मानोबा बर' सिख्लाफोरखौ एफाग्राब brave नुफेराखै आं मालाबाबो आरो like bravely reply खालामफेराखैमोन रावखौबो I saw one of the woman actually married one हाबा जानायमोन so बेबो reply खालामदोंमोन मोनसे माबा मोनसे viral जादोंमोन so video दङ बिनि next one जागोन बे बिनि video reply video Sonia Queen nani viral jadamon okay so bibe roster purni men suru jadamon but I definitely reply hedum na man because of some dongo like mistakes nudumon anga nare railai neaw hai eba bungneaw hai birad mistakes nunekai ang iko hai reply pindam but particularly not because of some bad things okay because of some like mistakes for kulana sang biko reply hedum so the Gemsri are bini bare railai Gemsri are ABB mix and roster ni bagi to ang bara nuferakiman biko hai first time sekhana khadam biko ang munche like definitely news channel thunungre but borwana like here na like who stop rosters and like roster ni bagi search dong ma dong ipon mane bisan channel dong ma dong ifor ko mane kali khalame biye I don't know the name by it properly but I think boro something idi jagandang okay so ang han sani ABB mix mistakes man kalamdeng like not big I wouldn't say big mistakes to hundred but like mistakes okay mistake being like jaini thangkhang nei khotaफोरखौ माने जावखांफिननामोन आरो बेल' जावखांफिननामोन आरो बेखौहाय माने repeatedly like बानायनामोन like porn star something all this thing blah 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 and rubbish man rubbish थांबा like roasting खालामनायनि सिगांहाय permission लागोरा मा लागोरा ओरैनो just मोनदों होननानै like content गैयाव माने मोनदों होननानैसो उठायलाबायबाय बिदि नङा okay so that thing जाय पास जाखाबाय बेखौहाय आरोबाव खुरखांफिननानै माने बखिनाङा okay मानोबा नायनाय actually होनोदि like roster बानजा most of the YouTubers होनो आं मोजां YouTubers खौबो नुदों but bad YouTubers खौबो नुदों आरो जायहा ओरैनो just खुगायावल' होनो like we are making Bodoland clean or like we are making growing up or making better Bodoland बेफोरखौ होनो एबा better बर' होननानै but आं सानो like they are not making better but they are making worst मानो होननो थांबा everything is toxic Facebook होन YouTube होन toxic जाजोब्बाय toxic होननो थांबा like bad सानफ्रामबो नों स्क्रल खालामो अबा मोनसे ग्रुपआव थाङो नों only viral videos viral phone calls viral photos बेल' मोनगोन जेबो मोना so आं सानो like actually group खुलिदोंबा be proper groups and admins फोरा एसे थाल लानांगौ इफोरखौ हाय आपलोड खालामनायनि सिगां मोनसे मोजाङै नायग्रोनांगौ एबा एनालाइज खालामग्रोनांगौ भिडिअखौ एबा पोस्टखौ ओमफ्रायसो एप्रुभ खालामनांगौ so आं रस्टार्स होननो थांबा रस्टार्सफोरखौ मान मोजांथ' मोनाबो होना मोजां मोनो आं most ofly but बर'फोरनिखौ एसे मानलाय रस्टार्सफोरखौ मान मोजां मोना होनबा because of the vulgarity होनबा the words फोरखौ रायलायो जाय खोथा रायलायो बेफोरखौ लानानै आरो आब' गेमस्रिखौ होननो सानो लाइक बे भिडिअ जाय रिप्लाइ भिडिअ होदोंमोन गेमस्रिया बेवहाय एक्चुअलि vulgar words थ' दङ definitely I would say mature खोथा होनबा mature जाय स्टेटमेन्ट सिगां भिडिअआव जाय निमाहा बिनाय भिडिअखौ नायबा स्टेटमेन्ट्सफोरखौ नायबा आरो बे दानि भिडिअखौ नायबा स्टेटमेन्टखौ नायबा माने लाइक अपोजिट आरो लिटिल बिट अपोजिट होननो थांबा ओके आरो आं होननो सानो लाइक जाय वेबसाइटनि बागै बुंदों कि लाइक भिडिअ हगारदों बे वेबसाइटआव आं होननो सानो लाइक आब' गेमस्रिखौ होननो सानो जास्ट वान थिं इज द्याट कि लाइक जाय नों इउटुबनि बागै होन्दोंमोन ना स्मल या एसपि एबा एफआइआरनि बागै खोथा बुंदोंमोन you definitely could apply the thing in this like website out okay jai manche post kalne be video ko bekhwai nung definitely like homja hana haye ba FR ban jabai manba I feel if you are brave enough to do this you should be brave enough to do this also okay eba case hana hanai sanango okay about this website manba nung brave janani nungni nimaha bina habai eba nung khota ko nungni ko clarify kalna habai ba you should able to do this too I believe myself okay I believe myself so बेनोसै most of आं बारा पेक बुंबाय थाना मानबा बेल'सै आरो roastings I definitely want to say I'll hate roasters because of one thing is this only that word vulgarity आरो जेबो information गैया आरो ओरैनो पेक बुक्सनायल' बेल' आरो if I'm saying one thing if any roaster is making video of me I will definitely reply you guys I will definitely reply. Man reply hagan ba I will means like nungni biswang dong eba biodata ja jikuno ja ni ID ja ma ja jebu sana anga definitely you see man ba ki like if you roast khalam ye mai ang je misra okay but definitely I be mix if you see this eba nung biko nuyi ba nung gerchana but definitely was a correction na bine ki like nung bidi bannamun are bikol sana but I don't hate all the I don't hate Boro people's about like making video you should grow up I appreciate that I appreciate khalam nungse grow up khalam nani eba like making videos and at least coming to here in this platform baragalaw khalam na belosay so be peace and be happy no hatreds no feminism nothing else okay and exaggeration are last I want to say to Abu Gemsri like before you make like before you say anyone mistakes first of all you be corrected then you say, point the mistakes of others one thing is that when you said it's a reaction video then you did not do you did reactions by the way but the title you put was not reactions so be peace and I feel like before pointing others you should point yourself first.